welcome to my little short video. I and everybody and their uncle and aunts have gotten one of these, and I finally got it, a whole set from Popmart, so I'm excited to open it. It is a blind box, so I don't know what's in it. Let's hope I get secrets, and let's go into unboxing. Eeny, meeny, miny, mo. ASMR. Let's see. Let's open it. Okay. I'm not gonna look at the card because I want to. Oh, I just ripped the top off. I'm gonna look at the card because I want to know what it is. Like everybody else is doing. The surprise is what's exciting, you know? All right. I have the bag. What is it? What is it? Okay. We got Zizi. So cute. Oh my god, look how cute she is. I just want to eat her. Next one. Eeny, meeny, miny, mo. Let's do this one. We see. No card? Okay. We have... Hey! Hee hee. I love this face. Eeny, meeny, miny, mo. We have Choo Choo. Choo Choo. Cute. Oh my goodness. Eeny, meeny, miny, mo. Let's do this one. I don't know about this feeling, guys. We have Cece. Oh, got you, girl. She is so cute. Look at her. 2 boxes left. Eeny, meeny, miny, mo. Fingers crossed. I feel like it's gonna be Dada. Dada is in the building. She's a cutie. Wow. Last one. Last box. Okay. If it's meant to be, it's meant to be. New year, new mantra. We got Baba. We got the full set, but no secret. But I'm still happy because, look how freaking cute Baba is. I hope you guys enjoyed the unboxing, and then we'll also have our macaron to unbox. So stay tuned for the video.